Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how much Relay Bank charges for checks. I know this is a question that a lot of people are asking, so I wanted to take some time to answer it in detail. I'll also be comparing Relay Bank's fees to the fees of other banks. So, if you're considering opening an account with Relay Bank, or if you're just curious about their fees, this video is for you. So, how much does Relay Bank charge for checks? The answer is, it depends. Relay Bank offers a variety of checking accounts, each with its own set of fees. The fees for checks will vary depending on the type of account you have. Here's a breakdown of the different types of checking accounts that Relay Bank offers and the associated check fees. Relay Bank Basic Checking. This is the most basic checking account that Relay Bank offers. It has no monthly fee, but there is a 25 cents per check fee. Relay Bank Rewards Checking. This checking account has a monthly fee of $5, but there is no per check fee. Relay Bank High Yield Checking. This checking account has a monthly fee of $10, but there is no per check fee. Relay Bank Business Checking. This checking account has a monthly fee of $12.50, but there is no per check fee. So, as you can see, the fees for checks at Relay Bank can vary depending on the type of account you have. If you're looking for an account with no per check fees, then you'll need to choose either the Relay Bank Rewards Checking, Relay Bank High Yield Checking, or Relay Bank Business Checking. However, if you're on a tight budget, then the Relay Bank Basic Checking may be the best option for you. In addition to the fees listed above, Relay Bank also charges a $15 fee for return checks. Now that we've covered the fees for checks at Relay Bank, let's take a look at how these fees compare to the fees of other banks. I did some research and found that the average per check fee for banks in the United States is 29 cents. So, Relay Bank's fees are actually on the lower end of the spectrum. However, it's important to note that this is just an average. The fees for checks can vary greatly from bank to bank. So, it's always a good idea to compare the fees of several different banks before you open an account. Overall, Relay Bank offers a variety of checking accounts with competitive fees. If you're looking for an account with no per check fees, then you'll need to choose either the Relay Bank Rewards Checking, Relay Bank High Yield Checking, or Relay Bank Business Checking. However, if you're on a tight budget, then the Relay Bank Basic Checking may be the best option for you. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And thanks for watching.